Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really hot. I'm currently in Sydney and it is a hot summer's day and I'm about to go to the beach and get ready, so I thought I would film my makeup for what I would do for a beach day. Obviously I'm going to be swimming and stuff, but I'm going to brunch first, so I thought I'd put on just a little bit of something to make me feel a bit better. It's really hot and I'm running up and down stairs. So I'm just going to start off with some moisturizer. I honestly just wear a bit of concealer, a bit of blush, and I curl my lashes. I brush up my brows and I do a lip stain. And I'll like put on some faux freckles and stuff because I do have freckles, as you can see, but I do go over them just to enhance them. Okay, this product is a game changer for me. This is the wonderskin lip mask. I've seen these all over TikTok. I'm sure you have too, with the like crazy color when you first put it on. So I'll always put on my moisturizer first and then I will put this on just to give it time to sit, and then I'll just do the rest of my little bits that I do. I know this looks really crazy, but it's worth it. And you only have to have it on for a minute or two. Oh, you can be a little messy with it. You don't have to be perfect, even though it is a stain. But this stuff stays on all through the day when I'm swimming. Okay. I just go over the edges a little more. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that on while I do a couple more steps. Oh, that's in the shade Hush, which you'll see in a minute, but it's kind of like a natural brownie nude color. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little bit of concealer. Life just feels so much better in the sun. I honestly feel like I'm so much happier in the sun. It really does affect my mood so much. I just love swimming in the water, spending a day at the beach with my friends, getting acai bowls. So much fun. Today we're gonna go down to Bondi. That's where I usually stay when I come to Sydney. I've got a bunch of friends that live in Bondi and we all just, I feel like I'm on some sort of like TV show, a really good one where I just get to live the best summer with all my friends in the one area. It's so much fun. It looks really crazy and flushed right now, but it blends in, I promise. I do go a little ham on the blush. It's like my thing. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a little towel. I'll be back in one sec. Okay, so all you need to do is wet some towel or tissue or a cloth, and you just, it's so nice hearing all the birds, and you just wipe it off. And now you have a lip stain that lasts honestly all day. Like, how perfect is that color? It looks like my lip color, but a little bit better. On to the next. I had my makeup done by Mia Connor the other day, absolute legend, and she gave me some of her eyeliner pens. So I'm just gonna, it's the perfect color to draw over the top of my freckles. So one there, one there, one there, got one there, and honestly you can just kind of go in and just dot them all on, just like that. This is the best color for it. It's perfect for freckles. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes like so. I'm just gonna pop through a little bit of brow gel. It's gonna be really hot outside. I can already feel it. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of the contour lip liner by Wonderskin. This is in the shade Saddle. It's like the perfect color to accompany my lip stain. It's so creamy. Okay, last step is lip gloss or lip balm. I'm just gonna use the Wonderskin lip gloss in the shade Clear, I believe. I personally love a little bit of shine on my lips. I feel like it makes them look that little bit bigger and it hydrates them. Okay, this is the final look. It's obviously not much, but I just love to do something really simple and glowy, and having that lip stain on gives me so much confidence. Like, I literally can't leave the house without a lip stain on now. It's kind of bad. And if you're having a sleepover, you can actually put it on before bed and wake up with perfect lips. So that's my little hack. It won't go on your pillowcase. It won't get on your clothes. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this little no makeup beachy tutorial. Mwah.